Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you an Alkar smoker today, 240 three-phase voltage we're operating on. Factory controls here. And you can see if we had smell, the beautiful wood smell coming off, perhaps hickory. Not an expert enough to tell you that. This is the reservoir in here. Some residual wood in there, and you'll see the engine move very slowly, and it does have a speed control on it, which is right here. And of course this is the burning chamber in here, and we're going to show you that, let that clear out for a second. There's an electrically heated element which burns your wood material. Then of course it discharges out and into the discharge pipe. I'm just gonna close that up real quick. Dampers, everything's functioning on the unit. A couple little small things, bad bulb here, little things, but nothing that would inhibit it from going into operation immediately. All stainless steel construction, as you see. Controls are in very nice condition. And we have everything in our stock, or like to think so, in process and packaging. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.